Every couple of weeks, I love to do a fridge raid and make a delicious fried rice. And I'm going to glam up my fried rice with some Peking duck. So this is fantastic because it only takes 12 minutes to cook in the oven. It has those wonderful flavours that we associate with Peking duck already in the pack. So we're going to use this sauce to flavour our fried rice too. I'll place the duck breasts into the tray, just like this one. And all of this sauce I just want to add to our tray. Spread the sauce around and this goes into the oven. So hot oven, 190 degrees for 12 minutes. The duck has come out of the oven. Just let it cool while you make a quick fried rice. So large wok, nice and hot. A splash of vegetable oil. Of course, I've got some peas, just some frozen peas, but I also had a combination of ginger and makrut lime leaf, some chilli, and some good old garlic. In my fridge, I always have eggs, so this is just 2 eggs, and I've just whisked the eggs and placed it into the wok to make a really thin omelette. And now what I'm doing is just cutting it into small bits. We can add our rice, and this is just some leftover brown rice, so we'll add a few generous handfuls into the wok, along with our frozen peas, and I don't even defrost them because I want them to stay vibrant green, and this wok is so hot. So it'll cook them quite quickly, along with our egg, and toss everything together. Some soy sauce, just some sweet soy sauce, a small splash of that because I'm now going to add all of that delicious Peking duck sauce. Now we'll just leave that for a few moments while we slice our duck. You want about half a duck breast per person, and I'm going to slice it on an angle. Oh, look how juicy that duck is. Nice thin medallions to serve. And the last thing I want to add to the stir fry is some spring onions and some bean sprouts. We'll grab a bowl, and this is going to feed 4 people quite easily. So generous amount into a bowl. And this is delicious as is, but it's 10 times better with a generous amount of Peking duck on top. See what happens when you raid your fridge? You become very creative.